Hello everyone! Welcome to Magic Brawls. It is a bracket-style competition. The first video, or the first episode I should say, is releasing this Friday, June 6th. It's probably gonna be sometime in the afternoon. So, keep looking. So this video is not about the actual competition. It is explaining the bracket. The bracket is gonna be what people move on and how it works. So, yeah, come back this Friday or watch it now after this video if you're here in the future. Anyways, let's go to the bracket. So this is the bracket. First of all, over here, this is round 1. Round 1 is the start, and people are randomly put in here. If they move on, they go to round 2. If they move on, they go to the semifinals. Now, down here is the redemption. The redemption winner goes right here. Then the winners of here go into the final. It's best out of 3. And the person who gets 3 wins in 3 different games first will claim the grand prize of 5,000 Robux. Second and third place get 500 and 300 Robux. The loser of this round will receive 500 Robux in second place. Semifinals, there will be a third place match for third place and fourth place. If you win the third place match, you get third place. If you win the fourth, if you lose it, you get fourth place. And then round 2 and round 1, if you get to round 2, you have a higher place than the people in round 1, but they are decided by a point system. And then they will get points for strategy, decision making, overall result, and a couple more things. So now we have the redemption down here. The losers of round 1 will be put in here randomly. So if the loser of this, and this will be put into all of these. Then the winner goes into the loser semi-final. I know. And then after that, they go into the redemption final. I don't know why I have 2 different names. I'm not changing it. Anyways, these extra slots that appear out of nowhere are actually the losers of round 2. So round 2 is this loser, and this loser. They will be put in here. It doesn't matter the order. The winner of that will go into the second semifinal. However, if you do lose this, you will have a chance to compete for third place, and there is no redemption. So after getting past round 2, you really have to be careful, because if you get out, you are out, and you cannot be first place. Good luck. As I was talking before about the scoring, all the competitors are on a spreadsheet with round 1, 2, and a bunch. The redemption, semifinal, third place match, finale, the total points, the plays. It's all a spreadsheet that I made. You are not seeing this right now. That is intentional. Because a lot of battles already happened. So yeah, it's for the competitors to see their score. You will see the score at the end of every episode, and round 1 is judged on skill, decision-making, strategy, overall results, and if you are the winner, you get 30 points. Of the other 4 categories that I said before, you will get 10 points each. That is the same thing for round 2 and the semifinal. If you win the redemption, you will claim 500 points, and if you win the third place match, you get 300. If you lose the third place match, you get 250. If you win the finale, you get 600 points. And then there's also the total points and the place. The place will be announced in the end on the finale video of Magic Brawls. But it's a while until we get there. So, back to the bracket. If you drop out of the main bracket to compete in the redemption bracket to have a shorter path or an easier path to go to the end, that will result in you getting kicked out of the redemption. That's not allowed. It is, everyone knows that if they do that, they don't get to do the redemption. Also, I would just like to say one more thing. A Long Arrow is competing, but she dropped out of the main bracket because she did not want to verse that person, and she definitely was not trying to do an easier path. The path for this, it's longer now. At first it used to be different, but now it's longer and it's harder to get back to when. It's easier to just go straight down but she had a pretty good path, but she just decided that she did not want to verse the person, so she decided to go into the redemption. Her name is not in here because I forgot to put it in this one. You know what? I'll just edit that in right now. Kaboom. Bonk. I'm a magician. Woohoo. Anyways, let's get back to the stage. Okay. Now that all the explaining is over, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will answer them. Don't forget to come back Friday, June 6th of 2025 to see the first episode of Magic Brawls. I will see you then, but for now, goodbye!